Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to learn about a Maya Autodesk. We'll go with the basic steps, basic instructions, how we are going to click on Start menu. This is Start menu. Search a Maya Autodesk. You can type Maya and Maya here. You click here or you click on Open, going to pop up. It's going to take a few minutes, few seconds based on your machine, based on the RAM on the CPU have. Once it's ready, it's going to look like. So you can see here getting started or a new scene. Let's click on a new scene, or you can click here if you have a scene before. You can. So let's do a new scene. As you see, this is our main window, the whole software, and you have to make sure you are on your you have to have a login information, so it shows my name here. You can sign out if you're seeing someone else's name, and if you need a login information, or if you somehow you are not able to log into your computer, please feel free to reach out. All right, so we have here in a scene, here in the drop down, we different we have a modeling, we have a rigging, we have a animation and FX rendering and customize. So if you see in a modeling, we have a file, edit, create, select, modify, display, windows, and mesh. After windows, we have a mesh option. Let's go to the rigging. You see, after a windows, before the windows, everything is similar, but after windows, we have a different options like skeleton, skin. Let's talk about animation. Hey, after window, we have a key, playback, audio, different options. So today we are going to just work on the modeling. I hope everyone have the same a scene, same thing. And if your layout, if your workspace is different, we have a different things here. A journal, modeling standards. We have a modeling expert. So all the views are different based on the workspace. Let's say a journal. And if you see here, we have a polygon here. Click on it. And by moving your mouse, the center button, you can zoom in and zoom out the object. Here, here we can see from top, left, right, and the bottom view. So you just go there and you can scroll it by holding the left mouse button. You can see we can change or see from different views. The second thing, hey, in the toolbar, we have a selection tool. So we already have a selection tool, and then we are on a selection tool. The second tool is a Lesco tool. If you click here, so it's a Lesco tool. Okay. The third tool is a paint selection tool. So if you have, right, we are not going to create anything. Um, and the next tool is a move tool. If we have to move, let me do something quick here. Object mode. We will discuss move tool. You can move the object from a different from one place to another place with the help of move tool. Here is the move tool, and the next tool we have is a rotation tool. You can rotate your object into any direction, so you can rotate from here. As you see, when I'm rotating, it's showing the rotation on X, Y, and Z based on how you right. So since it's on the same plane, so that's why the X is 0, but we are changing the Y and the, understand? And the next tool is a scale tool. In with the help of scale tool, you can increase or decrease the size of the object. So we have a different points. If I'm going to click here on this point, it's going to shrink. All right. You can change the size by playing around with those x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, right? Right, and then we definitely can zoom. All right. So next thing, we have a couple of other options. Right click on it, right click, and then we are going to go to the face mode. So see, when I have a face mode, I got the selection like this. So let's do kind of, I'm going to select by holding the shift key a couple of boxes here, and I'm going to select the move. Now we are not going to move the whole object. As you see, when we rotate, we have this green arrow. If I'm going to pull it inside, see what happened? We kind of forgot the eyes. Now I am going to select this port. I hold shift and I am going to pull this little bit. It like same thing. I am going to do it. Pull the shift key and going to select a couple of boxes. Take a mouth and inside. Now, if you have to work on the nose again, let's click here and going to stretch it, right? And right click again and then go to the vertex mode. See, we have a vertex mode. And if you want to go in a little bit more detail, you can pull something like make it in a more depth. You see now? So basically, we are going to just try how the tools work today. It's just an introduction, and I am going to using the same tool to deeper the eyes a little bit more. As you see, if you compare from the left to right eye, the right eye is a more you can today you just in this lesson you can play around with Maya, the tools, and try to create something creative similar to this. And once you're done, please make sure to submit as a snipping tool, as a screenshot, submit to your Google Classroom, get a credit. Feel free to ask me if you have any questions. All right. See you in the next video.